Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into the future with a first look at the 2026 BMW X9, a flagship SUV that blends bold design with cutting-edge performance. BMW has always been known for crafting vehicles that balance elegance with driving excitement, and the X9 pushes that legacy forward in ways we haven't seen before. This is a machine built to turn heads on the outside and thrill anyone lucky enough to get behind the wheel. From the moment you see the exterior, the X9 makes a powerful statement. It's massive, but the proportions have been carefully sculpted, so it doesn't just look big, it looks athletic, almost predatory. The front is dominated by a reimagined kidney grille, larger but more refined, paired with laser-sharp LED headlights that feel like eyes cutting through the darkness. The hood flows seamlessly into muscular shoulders, and the side profile carries a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. Huge alloy wheels, aerodynamic detailing, and sleek door lines give the X9 a mix of elegance and aggression. At the rear, slim taillights span wide across the back, emphasizing the SUV's width and road presence. The design language makes it clear. This isn't just a utility vehicle, it's a statement piece. Performance is where BMW really flexes its engineering muscle. The X9 isn't just about looking powerful, it delivers. The entry version is expected to come with a twin-turbocharged V8, delivering upwards of 500 horsepower with effortless smoothness. Step up to the performance-tuned variant, and you're looking at around 650 horsepower, combining electric hybrid assistance with brute engine force. That means instant torque off the line, blistering acceleration, and a 0 to 60 time in the low 3-second range. For an SUV of this size, that's extraordinary. But speed isn't everything. BMW engineers have tuned the suspension to balance performance and comfort. Adaptive dampers adjust in real time, allowing you to float down the highway in one moment and carve corners with surprising agility the next. The steering feels precise, with just the right weight to give confidence without making you work. All-wheel drive is standard, distributing power intelligently so the X9 remains planted in rain, snow, or tight turns. It's not just fast, it's composed, capable, and incredibly versatile. Inside, the cabin continues the premium experience. BMW kept things elegant, but technology and luxury are everywhere you look. The dashboard features a sweeping, curved display that blends driver information with infotainment, supported by an AI-driven assistant that responds to voice commands naturally. Seating is plush, supportive, and designed for long-haul comfort. Materials range from rich leathers to sustainable wood trims, and ambient lighting can transform the mood of the cabin at the touch of a button. While the interior design isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, it succeeds in offering a calm, luxurious, and connected environment that lives up to the SUV's exterior promise. Now let's talk about price. The 2026 BMW X9 doesn't come cheap, and it's not supposed to. The base model starts around $120,000, positioning it among the upper echelon of luxury SUVs. The mid-level hybrid assisted model pushes closer to $135,000. And for those who want the top-tier performance edition with maximum power and bespoke finishes, expect a price tag in the $160,000 to $170,000 range. Options and customization can take it even higher. But at this level, buyers aren't just shopping for practicality. They're shopping for presence, prestige, and power. In the end, the 2026 BMW X9 is not just another SUV. It's BMW's declaration of what a flagship luxury vehicle should be: bold, futuristic, and exhilarating. It takes the brand's core values and stretches them to new heights, offering a driving experience that blends power with refinement, wrapped in an exterior that's impossible to ignore. For those who want a vehicle that's more than transportation, the X9 delivers an experience that will be talked about for years to come.